what he said.
Wait, guys, move. Hey, no, my phone's recording. You're covering the camera. Okay. What the
We're
fart?
doing like oh, here's how you make that triangle groove, dude. You can do that.
No, I don't. What the fart?
I mean, you can make a taller one in the back.
Oh, wait.
These houses are so bad.
Well, that it doesn't. Wait. I don't want to do that. Oh, I like the triangle thing you did earlier.
I'm running out of money, dude.
No, we aren't.
We don't have any more money to build the house. Buddy, give me that back. You don't get my shit. You don't get my $100.
What the fart?
What? That looks like a... That's a great house. No, it's not.
And then, wait, we've had more triangles, I swear. My butthole.
Yeah, and then someone... Hold on, we need a small one there.
Yeah.
To make like the same outer edge. No.
Oh, that?
Yeah. And then we need a bigger one there. That one's
We
too
still
big.
need smaller ones.
Yeah, where'd the rest of them go? Oh, wait,
On
someone...
the floor, probably.
They're not there anymore, though.
Oh, wait.
Oh, here's one more.
There
we go.
I also found one. What the fart?
Okay, what the fuck is this? I don't know.
I think it's supposed to be a fence. Oh, one more. Oh, you already got that one more.
This looks like a shitty box. What did we build? A shitty box.
Wait, what if we, instead of that, we put these?
You don't know. I didn't break it.
We did something last time to make it.
What happened?
Hey guys.
Show the little. It's not.
We're just gonna. Stop. Bruh. Okay, so anyway.
Dude, it's everywhere. It's everywhere. Look at the chair. Hello.
Wait.
It's everywhere. Well, I'll do it.
This thing is probably getting a horrible angle at me. Stop, it's gonna fall off.
Pieces will, but not the house. Dude, stop breaking the house. Dude, that's cool.
What did we do to make it like that?
I don't know.
Because I forgot. Why does it look like Zooble?
How does this look like Zooble?
That thing.
The triangle?
Yeah. Zooble's head is goddamn triangle.
Well, Zooble's
Like your butt.
My butt isn't a triangle. Your mom's butt is. Cause she
No,
likes
hers is an oval.
Oval. No. We need to do direct angles at the side.
Fine. Can we at least like...
Yeah.
Actually, yeah, wait.
This is an ugly home.
That fits.
Wow.
Horribly. And then you know what we can do?
Oh. How did we make this?
No.
Oh, hey, look at that. Dude, that's actually kind of cool. Magnetic field.
And then that's not gonna. Can we like balance it or something?
We need support. Dude, Beckett knocked over all my cereals. So fuck him.
Shit.
Oh, there needs to be something that like is like right there. We need.
It can't be this. Because it's like.
We can fill it in. Where's more of these? These are the same.
That's like poo poo.
I know, but like you gotta open floor plan roof looking thing. There. Hold up. Still finish that.
Oh shit.
Sorry, the house is. This bag is like disturbing me, dude.
It just fell out.
Dude, what happened to the chair? You should have done this in like slow motion. Oh my god.
That would be a really long video.
Dude, look at the chair.
I see the chair. It's horrific.
I'm just gonna do this for the next people that come. Okay. Yeah, these random pieces.
Just as we slowly like.
Disaster. Pick this up. Pick this up. Triangles. Dude, we should buy these. This is practically fun.
There's some in the library.
Oh yeah, the
Like a whole box of
public
them.
one.
Yeah.
Yeah, I used to play with those. And then the autistic piece.
Okay, and you know what we do?
What do we do? It's fun. It's fun. Just do like a triangle. Sweep that up. Sweep that up. Sweep that up.
Where's the cup?
I know.
Where did you put it?
By Colten.
Pick it up and put it back. What did I do? That's why you did the other one. Pick it up.
Are we gonna post those?
Yeah.
They're like the comments. They're yelling at me to just sweep it in.
I'm gonna hold back.
It's like those ingrown toenail videos you get at like 3 a.m. That like remove ingrown toenails.
Jesus. Dude, I'm gonna hold back Jack's little content eater.
Is that why you compiled it all into one video?
Yeah. Take this. And then you do like a heavy action.
What?
Do like a forehead reaction. Look, the Colten. Want some? Want some? Seriously? I'm trying to play the game. Jagger.
He likes it young or he likes it old?
Just helping you out.
Why is there an indent in your hood?
Maybe it's for like.
I love him.
Okay.
Guess what, Ethan? Yeah, what's that? Brody took my dog, bro. I don't know. You have a dog? Does he have a dog? Well, you got a dog. Your dog. But this guy said he'd stick it in his dog. Hell, so you guys just believe.
We actually left that cleaner than we did the box.
I don't even see my dog in my